Family, it is Wild Wing Wednesday, and boy do I have a surprise for you. If you want to know how to make Hidden Valley Ranch turkey wings, come on and try this with me. As I'm talking, my mouth is just watering. These are absolutely delicious. Take a look. All right, come on, let's make these. Let's go. So for Wild Wing Wednesday, we're going to have some Hidden Valley Ranch turkey wings. Now, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this, and it's going to turn out to be a lot of fun. But what I want to do first is marinate. Well, actually, first what I did was I took the turkey wings, and you can see where I trimmed the fat, and I cut off a lot of the cartilage. That turkey has a lot of cartilage, so I went through and cleaned it. Now the next thing I'm going to do is set up a brine, and I want these to brine for about 8 hours because turkey is so tough and rough. What we're going to be using for our recipe: panko breadcrumbs, some oil, chicken rub, buttermilk, Hidden Valley Ranch, the buttermilk kind, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, poultry seasoning. We're going to use this seasoning, Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning. We need some flour, and then I have the bags for the brine. All right, I'll show you the next step. Now I wanted to mention, I like to save the brine from dill pickles and pepper rings because this is the best kind of brine when you want something to taste really good. So I'm going to pour, because you know how ranch, I'm going to pour all of it in there. Ranch has this really good flavor. It's sort of like dill. This is a chicken rub. I'm going to add that in there. A little poultry seasoning. Garlic powder. Onion powder, and that's it for that. Then I'm going to take the buttermilk ranch dressing, and this is really good. I'm going to have to divide this into two bags, so I have to be wise how I'm spreading it out. Then our buttermilk, I'm gonna put, I think this bag, it might be able to hold 3. Let's see. Oh, maybe more. I have an extra one just in case. It would be great if all of them would fit in here. Ooh, leave no meat behind. I think I can get all of them, everybody. Yeah. Okay, so I am going to leave these in the refrigerator for 8 hours. And then I'll show you the next step. I'm gonna start cleaning up. You all, what I forgot, I want to add a packet of this ranch in here. I forgot. And then I'm going to mix it all up. There we go. This is going to be so good and seasoned. All right, I'm going to shake this up and I'll be back. Now I'm going to boil this for 1 hour. Let me get it together here. I'm going to boil it for 1 hour in the marinade that I used. So, sorry, I'm trying to get it together here. All right, here we go. There we go. One hour. This way, all of that flavor is going to go into the turkey. I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. Turkey tends to be really, really, really tough. So I'm going to let this get really tender, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when we come back. Here we are, 30 minutes in. Just wanted to come in and show you. Look at all the juices, all the flavor. This is a really important step to tenderize these turkey wings. So we have about 30 more minutes to go. All right, everyone, this is 1 hour in. Now I'm going to turn off the fire and I'm going to let all of these wings cool in this juice here so it can absorb the flavor. Next step, we're going to bread these and fry them. So we got the turkey wings all cooled down. Next step is breading. Be right back. All right, so I wanted you to see, I'm going to do sort of an old-fashioned way of putting everything in a bag. I don't know if some of you all have done that before, but I'm gonna double dip the turkey wings to get a really good coating. So this is just 3 eggs and a little bit of milk. And this little thing I bought here, it's supposed to help coat the chicken, but it doesn't work. But I'm gonna use it anyway. It was a big waste of money. I would not advise anybody to buy this thing. It is not worth it. All right, so this is gonna be my first station here. I'm gonna show you what I mean by, y'all, these things are gigantic. They are huge. So I'm going to do a couple at a time. So this is how this thing works. It doesn't work. I don't even know why I'm putting this on. Well, maybe it's good that I am. Ooh, see? You shake it up. And flour is not supposed to come out, but it does. Turn it over. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Turn it over. Shake it. Look at all that. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out. That's my first coat. I'm gonna put these over here. And then I'm gonna put it, I'm gonna show you what my next step is. Ooh, these things are huge. Put these last couple in here. What's this? Maybe I need to put some more milk in here. Let's see. Loosen up the eggs a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish coating these. I'm not gonna waste your time watching this, and I'll be back. All right, you all, so breading those turkey wings was a job and a half. So got so messy that I had to trim some of that footage. But I let these set out for about 5 minutes so that the flour could stick onto the wings. Now I'm getting ready to fry them. Now these should take about 20 minutes or more to fry. Because they're so big, I'm going to do 3 at a time. And I like to double fry them. So I'm gonna let these go, and then I'll be back in a few minutes. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. So this is the first fry. I'm gonna take these out. These have been frying for 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna take them out, let them rest for 2 minutes, and I'm gonna fry them again. See, that one needs to fry again. So I'm gonna take these out, and I'll be right back. All right, now here's what you want to do. Now with the seasonings, I'm going to mix some parsley in here, because as soon as it comes out, you want to hit it with this seasoning, so while it's hot, it gets all that good old flavor. And I'm also going to put dill. Parsley is not going to give it any flavor, but the dill, mix this up. I can hear it's almost ready. Now, let me see. Hold on. Okay, now look at this one. This is what you want to do. This is right out the grease. You want to take your, ooh, I didn't shake it up enough. Let me shake it. Take this. That's okay. Sprinkle it and toss it around, because you want to make sure that all the sides get this ranch flavor. Ooh, it sounds like another one is ready. All right, let me get the other one. Okay, here's the other one. Oil is popping on there. You want to get it as soon as it comes out, so this can stick on there. All right, so I'm going to do the rest of these. These are huge, look. And then I'll present this to you. I hope you're enjoying this, you guys. Ooh, you guys, here we go. We have our Hidden Valley Ranch turkey wings. Take a look. All right, I'm going to make these beautiful for you and present them to you. I hope you enjoyed this. All right, I love you guys. Don't forget, let's cook with these.